Fennec foxes are small to medium-sized desert dwellers with distinctive oversized ears, thick cream-colored fur, and black-tipped tails. Found in North Africa's Sahara Desert, they inhabit sandy and rocky areas, digging burrows to escape the harsh climate. These nocturnal, solitary animals are omnivores, feeding on insects, small rodents, plants, and fruits. Their oversized ears detect prey underground and dissipate heat, allowing them to thrive in extreme desert environments. Despite being listed as least concern, their populations decline due to habitat loss, human persecution, and the pet trade.